What's going on, everybody? So I wanted to start my morning off with a driving range session. So I went down to Palm Air Golf Course in Pompano Beach, Florida. This was my first time going, and I would say it was a pretty fun experience. They have a nice putting area. They have a pretty big chipping area with 2 bunkers. The driving range itself isn't that long. I had to wait a couple minutes until there was a spot available, but once there was, it was a great time. There's enough grass to practice on and enough space between the golfers. So I would recommend this driving range to anybody in the area. Thanks for watching.